Hey, what's up, Long Meadow Farm neighbors? If you ever wonder what's inside your community fitness center, today I'm giving you a quick tour so you know exactly what's available to help you reach your goals right here in the neighborhood. The fitness center is open daily from 4 a.m. to 11 p.m. and all residents can access it using the same card you use for the pool and pickleball courts. Just scan your badge at the door and you're in. Now, the moment you walk in, you'll notice it's clean, quiet, and stocked with everything you need for a solid workout, whether you prefer cardio, strength training, or a mix of both. Let's start with the cardio section. We got treadmills for walkers and runners, recumbent bikes for low impact training, rowing machines for total body endurance, ellipticals if you're looking for something easy on the joints. We also have stair climbers and upright bikes. Cardio is a great way to warm up, improve heart health, and boost energy. Even 10 to 15 minutes can make a big difference in your day. Now, on the other side, you'll find a variety of strength machines that target all major muscle groups. You got the leg press, leg extension, and the leg curl for lower body training, the pull-up and dip assist for your upper body support, the shoulder press, lat pull down, seated row, and chest press for building balance, strength safely. These are great for all fitness levels, whether you're just getting started or maintaining muscle tone. Now, one of the best things about having access to a space like this is convenience. It's a short drive, it's no crowds, or it can be just a short walk if you stay close to the gym. And just a quick friendly reminder, please put your equipment back after use and wipe down the machines when you're done. There are cleaning wipes available throughout the gym to keep everything safe and ready for the next neighbor. So that right there is a quick look inside the Long Meadow Farms Fitness Center here in Richmond, Texas. If you live here in the neighborhood, I encourage you to take advantage of it. Even 20 to 30 minutes a few times a week can make a huge difference. Be sure to subscribe for more local fitness tips, quick workout demos, and healthy living ideas filmed right here in our communities. See you in the gym.